Abhishek Kumar. Welcome to my channel. So today our topic is generator protection setting calculation. So we have few parameters of generator transformer and unit transformer. Quickly, let's review all the parameters. So here you can see we have generator parameters. Like we have rated output is 294 MVA, 250 megawatt generators. Rated voltage is 16.5 kV. Rated current is 10292 ampere. Rated frequency 50 hertz. Rated power factor is 0.85 lagging. We have direct axis sub transient reactance XD dash is 15.5%. XD dash, that means direct axis transient reactance, is 22.8%. Direct axis synchronous reactance XD is 158%. We have tolerance on reactance is plus minus 15%. Maximum continuous negative phase sequence current denoted as I2 is 8%. And we have maximum value of I square RT, that means temperature rise, is 10. We have also few generator transform parameters, that is rating is 315 MVA. It is greater than the generator rated output MVA. So impedance is 14.5%. We have also tolerance of plus minus 10% at principal tap. Tap change range is plus minus 5% of circuit tap on HV side. We have voltage group is 235 by 16.5 kV. Since we are generating the voltage at 16.5 kV level, so this transformer is stepping up to level 235 kV. And we have also unit transformer parameters having ratings 20 MVA, which is connected with the generators unit transformer. Their voltage ratio is 16.5 by 6.9 kV. Our generation voltage is 16.5 kV, and since we are using this UAT as our home load, so we are converting it in simply stepping down in 6.9 kV, so that we can further step down to 415 or 230 level, and we can use our as a home load. Rated HP side current is 699.8 ampere. So we have already reviewed all the settings parameters of the generator transformer and UAT. Now we will start calculating the generator setting calculations. Impedance of GT. So we are going to calculate the first protection setting is generator backup impedance protection. That is 21 G1 G2. So we have given already impedance of GT 14.5%. As you can see here, impedance rating is 14.5%. So we are calculating the impedance of GT for 90%. That means 14.5 into 0.9%, which will be equivalent 14.5 into 0.9 by 100. So we have got the value of 1305 PU. We have calculated this value in PU. Now we have to calculate this value in ohm. So what we are going to do is we are going to multiply this value into kVA square by MVA. That will be in ohm. So 0.1305, we have kVA square, that means 16.5. Our MVA rating of generator is 294. Since we are calculating the settings for the generator, so we have taken the reference of generator MVA and generator kV. So if we will calculate all this, the value will be around 1.2 ohm. So this is our impedance of GT in with reference to our generator, that is in calculated in ohm. We have CT ratio. CT ratio is 12500 by 5 ampere. Secondary current rating is 5 ampere, and we have PT ratio is 16500 by root 3 divided by 110 by root 3. We have secondary voltage having ratio is 110 by root 3. So now we will calculate the impedance of zone 1. Impedance of zone 1. We have divided the impedance in zone 1 and zone 2. So we will calculate the value of zone 1. We will also discuss about the zone protections, like how this works, but since we are concentrating only about the calculation parts, so we are only just calculating. So we consider we take generally zone 1 is for 70% of the ZT. Whatever the value we have got from here, we will calculate for this. So zone 1 value will be 0.7 into, we have value we have got here ohm, 0.12 ohm into, since we have to calculate with reference to the secondary value, so we have to multiply with the CT ratio by PT ratio. So CT ratio by PT ratio. So here if we will calculate 0.12 into, we have CT ratio 12500 by 5 ampere divided by PT ratio, divided by PT ratio, if we will do 110 by root 3 and 16500 by root 3. So the value will, if you will calculate, I have already calculated this value, so value is 1.4 ampere. So we can set now in the relay accordingly. The impedance of zone 1 is 1.4 ohm, sorry. And what will be the time delay for zone 1 is 1 second. Here it depends upon the grading of the system, like how these systems are graded, setting coordination, setting calculation, setting coordinations, all these things are done. For this particular transformer generator, we have taken the time delay for 1 second. So zone 1 setting is 1.4 ohm and the time delay is 1 second. So we have calculated the zone 1 magnitude is 1.4 ohm for the 70% of impedance, and time delay is 1 second. In line protections, we divide actually the zone into 4 parts: zone 1, zone 2, zone 3 and zone 4. Zone 1 is taken as 80% of the line length, and which is instantaneous. That means there is zero time delay for that. If any things happen in zone, then it trips the circuit instantaneously. So here in the generator's setting protections, we have time delay of 1 second in zone 1. Now we will calculate for the zone 2. Then impedance of zone, that means ZT2, we will take the 100% of ZT. That means ZT into CT ratio by PT ratio. Whatever the value we have got is 1.2 ohm, 12500 by 5 ampere, and the PT ratio 110 by root 3 into 16500 by root 3. Since it is PT ratio divided, so we have multiplied by just opposing. Here if you will calculate all this value, the value will come around 2 ohm. And for this particular generators, they have taken the time delay of 2 seconds. So it's not everywhere it will be same.